Good morning, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful night's rest. Can you all hear me, please? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Good morning, Mike.
Oh, good morning, everybody. Okay, so we are looking at some impact news today. We are looking at Thursday, September 26th. Looking at some high impact news today. One for CHF, which is 8:30. They are going to talk about their interest rates. Probably the forecast is they're going to reduce their interest rates by 25 BPS points and all. And also, for GDP quarterly, US dollar by 1:30 p.m. Their GDP also is going to be released, also unemployment claims. So we are going to have a lot of high impact news today on dollar and on Switzerland franc. So if you are trading that, let's trade with caution. On Switzerland franc, unemployment claims today, unemployment claims on Switzerland franc. It's coming up by 1:30. Also, pounds on the US dollar, 1:30. There's a final GDP quarterly and their unemployment claims. So if this unemployment claims comes out lower than this, then it means that dollar will be very, very strong because it means that the numbers of unemployed youth in US has reduced. The numbers of unemployed benefits in US has reduced. Okay, so that is that for US dollar. And Powell also is going to talk by 2:20. They could also speak on the reasons why they need to do one or two outcasts for the United States today. Okay, so let's go to our charts. Let's go to our charts. Let's go to our charts. Okay, so this is Euro USD. Okay, let's start with dollar. Let's start with dollar indices. Okay, so for dollar indices, we are trying to see some bullish sentiment for dollar indices. And on daily time frame, we see this mark 99.969 region where we have presence of buyers. So this could mean two things. It could mean two things. Number one, it could mean that this is a retracement because market is reacting at this resistance point of 100.695 area. So we could literally wait for a retracement to about still this region, retracement to around 100 or 183 region. So we are in a retracement phase for US dollar indices. So we need to wait for the next entry, which could be around 100.183 region for dollar indices. Let's look at USD Okay, so for USD I've been anticipating buy scenario for USD and on daily time frame, we are having market rejection at 0.84789, which means that I'm going to be very, very bullish on USD CHF. I'm very, very bullish on USD CHF. So hopefully we can have a buy stop order, because when you look at this level, when you look at this low, so we can see how market rejected this region of around, market rejected this support of around support of level 0.84964 region, right? So on 30 minutes time frame also, we're having some sort of bullish scenario also for USD CHF. So my bias this morning would be a break above this resistance for a proper buy. So we'll be watching the market, a break above this resistance for a proper buy, because buyers that's coming to the market, we have rejection at this resistance becomes support. And we have buyers also pulling up at this support level again. This support region again, you can see how market reacted to this support region. And now we are having more push to the upside. So I'll wait for a breakout retest of 0.85050 region before I make an entry for USD CHF. Okay, so let's go to USD card. Also, I've been expecting some bullish I've been expecting some bullish sentiment for USD card as well, which this is literally a cup pattern. If you see, this is what we call a cup pattern. Let me draw it. If you are familiar with chart pattern, you'll see this is a cup pattern. Then boom to the upside. So this is a strong reversal pattern, and it has formed a cup pattern. And if you look at it from higher time frame perception, we should see presence of buyers from that market. Okay, and if you look at weekly, I want to draw a line on weekly time frame. Daily. So we have a rejection at this level, 1, 2. We have a rejection from daily time frame, and 4 hours also. We can see how market rejected this level. We can see how market rejected this zone, hoping for buyers to come in on board. So 1 hour time frame also, I'll be very, very bullish on USD card. So my buyers this morning also bullish for USD card. As you can see, dollar is gaining more strength. Hopefully before the news, we could see a strong buy entry. You could see a very strong buy entry for USD card. So a break above this resistance also might give us more room to buy USD card. A break above that resistance might give us room to buy USD card. Like this, retest, then we can buy USD card. As you can see, also there are a lot of liquidity turns out at this level. So I'll wait to see a break and retest above this for us to buy USD card. Okay, so we have to be patient to see how it will play out. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD. So looking at Euro USD, okay. Looking at Euro USD, we had an engulfing candle yesterday, and the engulfing candle closes bearish, which signifies the presence of sellers in this very market. Okay, so signify presence of sellers in this market. Then 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Also, I'm looking towards a resistance at this point. You can see resistance here. 1 hour. So this is just a retracement phase. I would love to see sellers coming in for GBP USD. So my bias for GBP USD is quite bearish. We might even look towards this level. Hopefully, we could have a short buy to sell scenario around here. A short buy to sell scenario around here. So how do we enter? Once we have a break below this support, we enter into the market. So I'd love to see a break below the support level, a break below the support, then we find a very nice entry into the market. So a break below the support, break below here, we test, then boom to the downside. Then we find a very nice sell entry. Okay, we find a very nice sell entry. Okay, so that is that for GBP USD. My bias is I'm looking forward for bearish, and I'll wait for more bearish confirmation. Euro USD. Okay, so for Euro USD, same thing happened here. We have a rejection at this resistance level here. Had a rejection at this resistance level here. And I'm hoping to see a pullback of price at this resistance. A pullback of price at resistance zone of 1.111584.
Sorry. Is it a Euro USD or GBP? Because I think you have just finished a Euro USD.
I just finished GBP USD. This is Euro USD I'm doing now. So Euro USD still looking towards a buy to sell scenario, meaning that this is a very strong retracement before we have sellers coming into the market. But I think your network is the one delaying you. We are at Euro USD now at the moment.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So Euro USD, I'm looking towards this level. $1.11575. 1.11575. Euro USD, 1.11575. Okay, 1.11575. And 15 minutes time frame. What I'll be looking towards is also a break below a tangible support. So we have a resistance to support level here. We have a resistance becomes support zone at this level. So hopefully I'll look forward to a break. Okay, a break below a support zone, probably this level, before we look towards selling. So this is not a very, very strong move by buyers. This is just a retracement move. So we still have to be patient for Euro USD to turn out. But my ideal zone is 1.11575 region. Let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. Just a moment. AUD USD on the weekly time frame. You can see how price is rejecting 0.68711 region daily. Also, we have market rejecting that zone and giving us a very strong engulfing candle yesterday. So this morning, I would say that we are looking towards having a pullback. But if this pullback does not happen, so it means that we might literally have this, then market creates a higher low, then move to the upside. But we've had a break of structure here, so there's no need for which except the market will create a higher low for AUD USD. I said market will create a higher low for AUD USD, but currently we are heading towards this resistance. We're heading towards this resistance. We're heading towards this resistance. So here, then wait for price to retest again and fall. So market is not yet set for the movement at the moment. What we just need to do, we need to be patient for all this to play out. So what I would just love to see, I would love to see a rejection at this 0.68711, which is a very strong zone in higher time frame. So a rejection at that level will give us more room for buyers to come into the market. And give us more room for buyers to come into the market. Okay, so that's that for AUD USD. Last one for this morning is gold. Let's look at gold. So for gold, for gold, so for gold, we have we are still having sort of bullish sentiment for gold. And like I said, gold is very close to 2,700 due to the war happening in between Israel and Lebanon. We might still see more push for gold to the upside. More push for gold to the upside. Okay, more push for gold to the upside. So gold is still bullish and backed up by fundamental. I won't look towards any bearish sentiment. I'll look forward to probably a rejection or a breakout. A breakout above this resistance will give us more entry to buy gold. Okay, so a breakout above that resistance to give us more entry to buy gold. I would have said, although on 15 minutes time frame, gold gave us a structure, a bearish structure here, breaking this lower low, but then the fundamentals is still much more powerful than technicals. Okay, the fundamental is still much more powerful than technicals, which give us more room to buy gold. And at this zone, gold is still very strong. And if you look at the sentiment, we've been having series of support break, resistance break because support like this level. You can see from here. You can see from here becomes support. This zone 2 resistance becomes support. Also, here also, you can see resistance become support. So at this level, I'd love to see a break above this high because that is I think that is 4 hours high. Yeah, 4 hours high, 1 hour high also. And rejection above this level also will give us more room to buy gold. So I'll be looking for a break to retest resistance here before I enter into the market. A break to retest for a resistance before entering into the market. As you can see from here, break to retest has been working perfectly for gold. So I'm quite having a sort of bullish sentiment for gold, but we still need more confirmation, further confirmation before buying gold. Okay, so we need to be patient, wait for further confirmation before buying gold. Okay, so before we round up, to any special request, probably want us to look at any pair before we round today's morning analysis. Or you want us to look at any pair before we round up today's morning analysis? Hello,
All right.
yes, I'm listening. Hello, any special request? Okay, in the absence of none,
Hello.
yeah, I'm listening.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Please check this Pancard and then GG. That's
Okay, so I said it recently that all JPY pairs are bullish. All JPY pairs are very bullish. All JPY pairs are very bullish. 4 hours time frame. Okay, so we are only having market trying to reject 193.205 region, and we are looking towards this level. So 1 hour time frame, we've seen a bearish rejection GBP JPY will sell. GBP JPY will sell. A break, a test. I don't want to give a stop order, but I've seen a very bearish pattern for GBP JPY. I'm looking towards 193.205 region. I'd love to see a rejection at 193.205. So please, for GBP JPY, a rejection at 193.205. Okay, 193.205 will be okay for a proper sell. So GBP JPY, I'm looking at this 193.205 will be okay for a proper sell for me. Okay, so let's look at that. 193.205. Okay, so we've done EU and GU. Let's look at Euro and ZD. Okay, and GBP card. Let me check. Okay, this is GBP card. GBP card is in a retracement phase. We are at this level. Okay, so GBP card, we are at retracement level, and I'd love to see market retrace up to 1.80138. 1.80138 for a proper sell, because we don't sell at support, we only sell at resistance. So we've done DXY, 1.80138. Okay, so I have this level also. So this is a retracement phase. We only have rejections for price to retrace at 1.79890 or 1.80138 region. So these are the two regions we look out for a proper sell for GBP card. So you're looking towards a buy to sell scenario for GBP card, a buy to sell scenario for GBP card. A buy to sell scenario for GBP card. Let's look at Euro NZD. So okay, so daily time frame, we have a bullish sentiment at this support level. this zone, and market yesterday closes with a very strong bullish engulfing candle. 4 hours time frame, we have a break of this resistance also. At 1.77169, 1 hour time frame. So what are we doing here? What are we looking towards? We are looking at a retracement phase for Euro NZD, and hopefully 1.77169 region. 1.77169 region. So these are my two zones. These are the two zones I'll look out for. Two prices I'll look out for the proper retracement. So here, then move to the upside. So Euro NZD, I'll wait for a pullback before entering into the market. Because market has broken this high, I'm going to wait for pullback before entering into the market. And my ideal pullback is 1.77169 or 1.76509. So I'll still be patient for sellers to, dummy sellers to come into the market before I enter into the very market. Okay, the last one is US oil. Then we round it up. Is it UK oil or US oil? Is it UK oil or US oil? Okay, UK oil. Hmm. So UK oil, we are bullish for UK oil, and let me see clearly. So we have a rejection on bullish sentiment. So daily time frame. So daily time frame. Daily time frame. Looking at 8351 region. But the thing is, I'm still bullish on UK oil. What I'll just wait for is a proper retracement. A proper retracement will give me more entry for a proper sell. Okay, so a proper retracement will give me more entry for a proper sell. Okay, so UK oil, proper retracement to give me more entry for a proper sell. I mean, a proper buy, sorry. So we could have a rejection here at 8351. The market rejected this 8299, then continue moving to the upside. Because if you look at UK oil from daily time frame, we are literally bullish. Although we have a break of this support, but buyers are still pulling up with more strong sentiment. So UK oil, I'm very, very bullish. I'll wait for a proper retracement before entry into the very, very market. So you can see, and also the war going on. The war going on, I think it's part of what is pushing the UK oil as well. The oil war going on in US, I mean in Israel and Lebanon is reflecting on the oil. So the oil is very, very skyrocketing because the demand will be very high. Okay, the demand will be very, very high. Lebanon and Israel. Okay, so the demand will be very, very high. Okay, so those are that. Thanks for today. Today is our advanced class. You can visit all our offices at WWP Prime. Visit our office at number 50, Ebitu Kiwe Street, Workout Connect Building. If you are in Abuja, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then Lagos also is on number 54B, Adeni Jones, Ikeja. Do you understand? Okay, so that's that for our analysis session today. Once we have month entry, we will post it to our funded client group. Please, if you have not funded, you can visit our website at www.pucrime.com, register, and make sure you also fund so that you can be added to the funded client group. Trade with caution and also apply proper risk management. Thank you very much and have a wonderful trading day. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, sir. We appreciate it. Have a nice day.